Assalamualaikum. Hello everybody. Welcome. Today I'll be making my citrus infused for all-purpose cleaning and also vitamin C facial mask and also a salad dressing, like the way I use for my oranges. So basically, when I buy oranges, I try to save the peels, the orange peel. So I try to remind the kids not to throw that. And then the lemons too, like I have some lemons because I use the meat of the lemon for another recipe. So this has been sitting for like a week, so you see it's dry. So this I'll be blending it. So what I do, this is just a pasta sauce jar. I washed it and I cleaned it, and then I have vinegar. So that's all you need for the DIY all-purpose cleaning. So actually some of this I'll be using for salad. So assalamu alaikum walaalayaal meesha meel kasta aad joogtaan. Maanta waxaan intusayaa sidaan u isticmaalo oranjiga iyo liinta markaan fiiqo, yacni wax kasto ma tuuro. Kan hadda waa 2 days old. You can see this one. This is like 2 days. Laba beri ka hor camalkaan isticmaalo weeye. It's a really a way aa u isticmaali kartid gurigaaga cleaning. You don't need to go buy any all-purpose cleaning from outside. So this should be enough, and I'll just put some here, save it for the salad dressing. Use this with the olive oil or whatever oils that you prefer. This becomes really good for the salad. Marka saladka ku isticmaali kartaa intaan dhalo ku shubo olive oilka ayaan meel la dhigaa, and then saladka markaan saliid u baahanahay saliiddaas oo qaataa ku samaystaa. So vinegar baa ku daraysaa, buuxinaysaa. I should have some more somewhere, but I'll top this up later. Buuxine. And then what I do, I just let this sit for like 4 weeks, 6 weeks. Sometimes within 2 weeks you see the color change. I'll be showing you guys how to do it. I'll fill this up after. And then I just let it, yeah, that's it. And then when you're making your home cleaning, you take like 1 part of vinegar. Some people do 1 part of vinegar, 1 part of water. I usually do 1 part of vinegar, 2 parts of water. So 2 cups of water and then 1 cup of vinegar. Vinegar ilaw ko beer. And then if you want, you could enhance it more. Essential oils, I'll add more, like a couple of drops of lemon if you want to go to citrus, or if you want to do lavender and orange, which makes a really good combination. And there you have it, your on all-purpose home cleaning. And then now I will do the salad dressing. So I have like an unfiltered cold press olive oil. I'll just put this, and again let this sit. I have some that I'm still using actually from the last time I made this. And I'll fill this and let it infuse by itself. And then later on I will top it with an oregano or garlic or whatever salad dressing that I'm aiming for that time. And that is recipe number 2. So easy utahay. Markasa salad dressing kagi. Just linti orangigi iyo salidadi. The other third method I use for my orange peels is, that's just so that's fine. It's for my facial, like vitamin C powder. So orange, I haven't tried lemon because I think lemon is too strong. And please, if you use this as a mask during the day, make sure you wear sunscreen. Sunscreen, please, waa inaa wajiga marsataan because qoraxda waa ku gubaysaa. You know, because kan waa bleachka dadka waxay actually u isticmaalaan. So I actually use this, and I use it with I use it with my, oh, it's slipped out of my mind right now. I'll remember. You can use it with water. You could add it a bit of yogurt and not a lot, yeah. Glycerine, that's what I put on. Glycerine, which is really good humidity. كده glycerine, vegetable glycerine على ده clear وعلى أنا هدول تكتشفونه مسويها. aan ku daraa orange-ka wejiga marsada qurux wallahi hurud camal u baahnid inaad hurud iyo waxaas see? Powder. Oh no, I think I'll put it like, and there you go. Even this powder, you could actually garnish with something too on top of the food later on. If you like. On top of your salad. Or any baking, you can use it as baking too. Oh, so I forgot, another thing I use for the orange peels is tea. Any tea that calls for orange peel, or you see a tea, like if you're doing like a herbal tea with rubies and orange peel, they go together really, really well. There's one tea actually that I do with turmeric and orange peel. And there, I hope I don't spill it. And I still have some more left, so I'll save that for the tea actually. And there comes my son. And there, that's your third recipe. So yeah, something you could find in your home. You could actually do a lot of ways with oranges, you know, citrus. You could use it as a degreaser too. Waxaa isticmaali kartaa, you know, markaad alaabta ku dhaqdid oo kaleeto meesha saxanka oo kaleeto orange kan inta qaadid waa marmarin kartaa saliida dhan ay dhamaynaysaa. Waa degreaser amal. If you go to stores, you will see people selling like $5.99, $6.99, whatever $9.99 you call it for like all-purpose cleaner. They'll say it's a degreaser, but if you read the ingredients, it's vinegar and citrus or orange or whatnot, right? And there, I'll put a white plastic one like this, but it turns into an orange because it's not wet, so it's fine. But if I'm doing wet stuff, I usually use. So this is the orange vinegar peel that I made 2 weeks ago. So I made this 2 weeks ago. I shot the video already, so I'm just gonna add this just to show you how it changed. It was clear when I made it. Now that's how it is. So I'll take like a cup of this, 2 cups of water, and that's how I use it to clean. And then my peel, I wanna do how I use it for the main face mask. So I put the glycerine. This is the Now glycerine. It's 100% pure glycerine. I use this for my creams. I use it for my, I think that's a lot of, I use it for, if I'm making a tincture, you can use it in the place of honey actually. Okay, that is a lot of actually glycerine. So I'm gonna use this as a face mask. Just gonna add a little bit. And this is our grinded orange peel that I made. ساسا استعماليسا glycerin كو ogtihiin wuxuu fiican yahay waa humectant waxa la dhahaa wax jirka gala meesha biyaha ay jirkeenu ugu baahan yahay oo kaleeto soo marka dadka dry skin ka qaba aad weyn ugu fiican tahay and clear property bay leedahay cadaynta waxaas and so anybody who does creams or formulation waxaas you know that humectant is a great glycerin is a great humectant. So this is, I'm gonna put this on my face and I'm gonna let it sit there. So you could even use it as a scrub. So I'm gonna let it sit there for some time and just wash it off. So glycerin feels is sticky and all that, but it's really good. If you want to combine it with oil, you can do that. I have a dry skin. Where we live is very dry too. So I can add a drop of either almond oil or jojoba oil, which goes with every type of skin. So almond oil aku darsan kartaa, jojoba oil aku darsan kartaa, coconut oil aku darsan kartaa, avocado, and olive oil, which is really good. So marka, yeah, there it is. Okay, so please, if you have any recipe or made this like this, share it, like and subscribe. Thank you so much. That helps a lot. Mahadsanid. Please share gareeya walaalayaasha haddaa samayseen ila soo socodsiiya through alaabtaan oo kaleeto oo aad adinka sidiina u samaysateen ila soo socodsiiya.